Why is it important to hire us as parent coaches? We are people that will guide you. We give you guidance through your journey, your struggles, your wins, your victories. We're here as sounding boards that you can cry on, scream on, everything. We give that support that you need when you feel that no one is there for you. You know, you talk to your parents, you talk to your sisters, your brothers, and everyone's like, if you don't spank that child, you know, this and that, and you just don't want to raise your child as you was raised. So us as parent coaches will give you that empowerment, the empowerment that you're looking for, that guiding light that you are struggling to see at the end of the tunnel.
And do you know what? I would like to emphasize that, well, first of all, we have this certification and we study and we work with families for so many years. So we have that experience. And I also would like to say that a parent coach helps you to feel more secure in your parenting, that you know exactly why you are doing these things that you are doing, and you have the middle and long term aims in your mind, so you feel really more secure. You also improve the connection, a trusting connection in your family. The whole family feel like decreasing the stress because the connection and the cooperation is there. So these are very important things that we help families when they go through our consultations and our programs.
When you don't have that family coach in your life, when you don't have a coach to, get that support from, it becomes a very fearful thing. Now, parent coaches are different than therapists. One, we're not as much money as a therapist. Two, therapists works on the past trauma, where we work on the here, the now, and how to get that fear out of the future. A lot of families have anxiety. The parents have anxiety. They don't know what to do next. They don't know what to do now, especially parents that are brand new. So we are there again to guide and support you. And we don't want that disappointment that you have in your heart that you're not doing it right and you are doing it wrong. So that's what we're here for.
Yeah, and you talk about a very important thing, because there's so much information out there, and everyone with the best intentions give you so many tips trying to fix you as a parent or trying to say what you need to do. And I think a parent coach gives you the, reducing this stress and feel more secure and avoid the disconnection that can grow in your family, and also prevent you to keep struggling with the same things, and as you said, feel guilty, because parenting is everyday task. There's no weekends and there's no holidays, and with the different stages is the challenges are changing. So it's really a great investment for a long and loving relationship in your family. We really know that we can help so much to don't feel you are having these problems on your own, because we hear almost the same thing for so many parents, and we know that it's very, very common and it happens. So you don't feel so much that is onto you.
Oh my goodness, I am going to tell you the solutions of a parent coach. Now, what I always was told was a doctor fixes a broken leg, but when you go to a trainer, they get it strong. And what I am here to say, we're not here to down your therapist or anything like that, but we are coaches to make it stronger. So, a doctor fixes the broken bone, a trainer, a coach, we make it stronger. So, what we're going to do is we're going to make you stronger as a parent and take care of the here and now and the future so you can have the strength. We also have been there before. So, we are more understanding, where someone who has a doctorate's degree maybe never even heard of standing in the welfare line and waiting because your lights are about to get cut off, where we have been through it, we know it, we have survived it. We are showing up for you. We teach you to show up for your children and not feeling guilty because you're not there for each and every child. But what you can do is we'll guide you so you can show up for the toddler, how to show up for the teenager, and then take time for yourself.
Another important thing is to give information about the children development, because sometimes we have unrealistic expectations and we feel frustrated because we don't know few things about how the brain of a child is working and why we react sometimes with all these stress responses. And so when you understand all these things, you can be really more in control of your own emotions and show up for your kid in a loving way. We also help you to organize your ideas. We're not going to give you a recipe or, what the steps you need to do. You are going to come with your own solutions for your own family. This is really important. And when the connections grow, the cooperation, it's, a consequence is related with the degree of connection. So we really think it's a great investment. We have been there, as you said, we are moms and we work with families, and we are here to support you from, a single consultation or a whole program, workshop. There are so many ways in where you can reach us and see what you need and what we can offer to you and your family.
That is great. Like she said, we are human. And so we will show up for you. All you have to do is connect with us. You can see us on 4 different platforms. And no one says you have to trust us, but you first have to get to know us. And you can't get to know us unless you connect with us. So I just want to say thank you for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.